Do your weave dance. 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 Okay, guys. So I'm KimmyBoutiki. Welcome to my channel. And yes, I look like a freaking mess, but I'm going to show you how I will take this bedhead Maven hair install from Drab Zoo Fab, honey. Yes, we're gonna do that today. It's gonna be real quick, and I'm gonna do a little skincare. You know, you gotta multitask because it's gonna take a few minutes to curl your hair. You know what I'm saying? Put some body wave in there. The mask can sit while I curl the hair. You gotta do your beautification, as many things at one time as possible. Who got time for that? Like, ain't nobody got time for that. So let's get started. So I'm going to take my Mary Kay cleanser. This is the Volume Firm Foaming Cleanser. I'm gonna put that all over the face. And I'm gonna take my Mary Kay cleansing brush, spin brush, just to exfoliate slightly. My face is clean, that was cleanser, and I'm gonna go straight into a moisturizing mask. 2 steps, easy peasy. Skin's gonna be left feeling crazy moisturized because I got dry skin. We need moisture. Tatcha is an amazing brand, very luxury, very high-end, very bougie, if you would say. But honestly, I buy into it for the ingredients, and the packaging is exquisite. Like, exquisite. Like, you just want to put all the items that you have on display, okay? It's so juicy. It's very juicy. I'm actually going to squeeze off the excess juice there. Don't tell nobody I'm going to use it later. I don't be wasting. This stuff is expensive. Oh my god, guys, it's so cold. What the hell? Is it that cold in my room? How are we gonna be smart with this time? So we're gonna do our hair. This has to stay on 15 minutes, okay? And if it stays on a few extra minutes, more moisture from me. Yeah. So I am going to go in with my dry bar curling wand. This is not a wand. This is a regular curling iron because you see it has a little clip on it. But we're going to use it like a wand, like the multitask. So we're going to go in with this hair extension brush. I got it from SoCap Original. This hair is so amazing. All the tangles come out so easy. Comb this bitch out. Look at that. Look at that. And it's been colored by me. And we're going to make this nice and easy. We're going to just take half. And we start wanding. So just keep the clip open and just use it like a wand. What I like about it actually not being a wand and having this extra clip here is I get a little bit of heat on both sides. So I find that it actually curls faster than an actual wand. Bitch! Bitch! So I went ahead and put my Tatcha lip balm on. 24 karat gold flex. You heard? I got it for 20% off. I don't shop unless it's a sale. Oh. Okay. Ooh, it feels. Ooh, my skin feels good. And just massage it in there. I'm just gonna press because you know. We don't want to age any of this skin, you know. We want to stay looking like we're 12. Ooh. Let me get my big comb to comb out these waves, honey. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. And I don't really put any product in my hair because I want it to last. Because this is an actual sew-in. It's not a wig. It's a closure. It don't get that butty if you weigh it down, girl. I'm just going to comb it out. Nice big old white tooth comb. Little finger. Ooh. Ooh. What we talking about. And if you put anything in the hair, girl, it better be lightweight. A little spritz of sheen, a little spritz, okay? A little something. You want to put a little hairspray to lay down any baby hairs. They don't really bother me. I'm good. I'm good, honey. That's it. This is the look of nothing, because I'm not wearing makeup. Just a natural skin, you know? Look at the light reflecting off of that. That skin, honey. Ooh, that is some dewy skin. You go out just like this, honey. Listen, you don't need makeup. It's an option. It's something fun, artistic, creative that I actually love to do when I feel like it. I will go to dinner with the bae just like this, no makeup, because this is what he's gonna get on the regular or natural. Honestly, I look the youngest without makeup. So, you know, I'm not always in a rush to cake it on. But when I am, oh boy, it is super kicked on, as you know. Yeah, I definitely highly recommend this Maven here. The link will be in the description box below. I hope you guys got a little, you know, tidbit out of this, a little bit more confidence. You're gonna be a little bit more at ease if you wake up with your hair looking hella crazy. Just brush out the tangles and curl that move. Okay, because you can sleep on this bad boy and it will look good the next day. The next day, amazing. Just brush it out. The brush doesn't hurt the curl at all, doesn't hurt the hair at all. The brush is just gonna make it a little bit more fluffy, actually. Ooh, what you did there, brush? What we talking about? It's Miracle. I got you, girl. I got you. I love you so much, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Bye. This is the volume firm. This is the volume firm. Ooh, ooh, yes. Ooh. Okay. You go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button, and you're gonna watch maybe a couple more videos. I mean, why not? We're having a good time. You're getting to know me, I'm getting to know you. Leave a comment. Mwah. Love you guys. See you later.